Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence Tiara here. For all of my new subscribers, welcome to my channel, and for all of my old subscribers, welcome back to your gang. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about what I have done to improve my channel over the years. I have been doing YouTube for, I think I created my channel about 5 years ago, you guys, but I wasn't consistent. So I like to say that I've actually been doing YouTube consistently for probably about 2 years now, where I'm actually caring about posting every day, and I've actually purchased things to go into my YouTube channel, making my channel better. One of the first things that I started doing to make my videos better is I started to write down my videos and what I wanted my videos to be about. I started to write down in a journal what I wanted my videos to be about and all the topics that I want to touch in my video. I do not write down every single thing that I'm going to say. Obviously, sometimes I just say things that come off the top of my head, but I started journaling down what I wanted my videos to be about and the points that I wanted to hit, just to make sure that I was staying on topic. I purchased this thing from Walmart for like $2 or $3. It has been really handy and really made it easy to know what I want to talk about, because sometimes in the middle of the night I might come up with like a really great idea for a YouTube video and I would just think about it, but I would never write it down, and then the next day I either forgot or I didn't write it down, so I didn't ever make the video. Another thing that I really started doing and making sure that I was really focusing on was my presence, just making sure that I am fully dressed, or maybe if sometimes I didn't have on bottoms, I made sure that my shirt was really nice, my hair was nice, and I actually started to do my makeup. Now, you don't have to do a full beat face every time you make a YouTube video. Some videos don't even call for that, like if you're just doing vlogs or maybe like get ready with me, you're gonna wake up or get on camera not full faced and beat every time. So definitely sometimes you can do a really light beat, but I just made sure that I look presentable and like I wasn't just coming on here any kind of way, just because I'm pretty sure you prefer me to look like this than to look like I just rolled out of bed. So I actually started making sure that I was focusing on my image, my appearance, and just pretty much how I looked when I got on camera. Another thing that I started to do was give myself a more consistent background. Now, this does not apply to everyone or to every video, because like I said, with vlogs or some videos you need a different background, but I started making my background very consistent. When you make videos using a consistent background, a lot of people start to recognize your videos from your thumbnail, and also it just kind of gives them something to look forward to, and they know what to expect when they're watching your videos. You want to make things different a little bit, but as far as your background, I think it's perfectly fine with keeping it the same. I went ahead and invested in myself, and I invested in my channel by purchasing myself a really great camera, and I purchased a camera that was good for sit down videos as well as vlogs, and I also purchased myself a ring light. I'm gonna have where I purchased the ring light as well as my camera down in my description box below, so that if you want to purchase it, you definitely can. But I use the Canon G7X, and also has the flip on it so that I can see myself. You guys, when I first started YouTube, I was recording without being able to see myself and without a ring light, and it was very dark videos, and also I didn't know how I looked, so that's just how the video looked. However it came out was how it came out, and just pretty much hope for the best. I used my Nikon camera that doesn't have the flip up screen, but I went ahead and purchased a camera that would allow my quality to be very clear, and I purchased a ring light so that even if I don't have these natural sunlight shining through, I still had a bright image. And I don't know, it just makes your videos a little bit better. You can record at night. It just gives you that glow that people really want to see. I also started to become a little bit more personable in my videos. I started showing my personality. I would laugh a lot on my videos, or more so have talk throughs, or if I mess up I will post it. A lot of times when I used to record, I would mostly make makeup videos or makeup tutorials, and you guys, I didn't even do voiceovers on my videos. Sometimes I would just record me doing my makeup and I'll probably put some music underneath, and I would just leave it like that. I wouldn't record myself talking, and people really want to interact with you, feel like they know you, get to know you, and just learn things about you. So it's really important to be personable in your videos and just showing that other side of you. So if you are a makeup artist, or you like a makeup guru, you record yourself doing makeup videos, it's very important to do chit chats while you do your makeup. That way you're able to actually just talk to your subscribers. They can get to know you, they can ask you questions. It's very important. If you don't want to do a chit chat, or you don't feel like actually talking about the products that you're using, you need to make sure that you are doing a voiceover, because if you're not, then people don't know you, and all you're doing is sitting here and you're just putting on a face full of makeup. So you want to make sure that you're showing your personality a little bit and just really truly being yourself. I just started being myself, and I started noticing that my channel was growing tremendously. I also started really focusing on my thumbnails, making my thumbnails a lot more clearer, making them more vivid, bright, making the words on my thumbnails bigger. I started using PicMonkey.com to create my thumbnails. It's free. I love PicMonkey. There's also a little trick that I do to get my pictures from PicMonkey. You want to make sure that you're using the YouTube thumbnail template so that it fits perfect on your YouTube video. You're just going to upload that picture there, create your thumbnail on PicMonkey. I absolutely love them because they have so many different fonts, and they have different ways that you can add graphics or borders, pictures, colors, whatever you want to add to your thumbnail, you can do that here. And a thumbnail is really, really important, you guys, because it's the first thing that people see when they click on your video. I also started adding music underneath my videos, kind of like this. You want to make sure that you're adding non-copyrighted music, just because one, you can't monetize your videos if your music is copyrighted. So what I started doing is I would go to youtube.com and I would type in non-copyrighted music in the YouTube search bar. There are millions of music that you can put on your videos that are non-copyrighted, that other people have made so that you can use it for YouTubers. You want to make sure that you're adding really good quality music, and music that is non-copyrighted. That's the most important part. I also went ahead and purchased Final Cut Pro. Now, you do not have to do this. You don't need Final Cut Pro. iMovie actually works just as fine, but I went ahead and purchased Final Cut Pro just because I'm the type of person where I kind of got to put some money into it to make sure that I'm using it and that I'm serious about it. iMovie comes with your computer. If you have that, use that. But I absolutely love Final Cut Pro. It seems like it's a little bit more easier to use, and it does move a little bit faster. It also gives you a lot of different things that iMovie does not allow you to use. So like the different fonts and the different transitions that Final Cut Pro offers is not on iMovie. So I noticed that people really like to see those different transitions and fonts, but like I said, you can use overlays and different fonts on iMovie as well. You just have to download them onto your iMovie software. So you don't need that, but that is another thing that I did just to move us forward to making my videos a little bit better. One thing that I want to start doing in my videos is just adding more clips and overlays and being in different positions. Maybe instead of sitting down all the time, you can walk around with the camera, or you can transition or move your background around. I've noticed that a lot of people like to watch videos like that. I love watching videos like that. I like it when people move from one setting to another. So that's something that you can start doing and incorporating in your videos just to make the video a little bit more interesting. So here's a perfect example of that. Instead of just sitting down in front of my little background area where I have my tripod sitting, I'm actually now on my couch and I'm just holding up my camera. A lot of people love to watch videos where you're moving around and just kind of showing your house and the things that you're doing. So it's really important to move around. Don't be afraid to pick up the camera and walk around, or actually visually show us what you're doing. Like if you say you had coffee this morning, show us you making your coffee. We really want to see that. Or if you are talking about something that you're doing or something that you want to do, just show little clips. You can also put in text as well, just to show like a different aspect of your video. You guys, I really don't like this setting on my camera. it's really this light here. Probably need to open it up. Lastly, YouTube is your playground. It's your opportunity to be creative, to be yourself, to have fun, to let loose and do something that you truly enjoy doing. Allow YouTube to be your creative space. Do whatever you feel like you want to do. A lot of times it's really important and really smart to realize when you're watching a YouTube video, what's keeping you around for a long period of time? What do you like to see? And more than likely, if you incorporate those exact same things or something similar into your video, you'll notice that people actually like watching that, and they'll keep watching your videos, and you'll notice that your videos are doing a lot better and they're just a lot more interesting than they were before. That's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Definitely hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of Tierra Gang and we can be a big family. Hit that bell so that you can get my videos every time I post. You'll get a notification when I do post. That way you're not late and that way you don't miss me too much. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and all of my social media handles will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.